you doing, Jamian?
Drawing his name.
You're drawing your name?
Well, yes, I'm drawing his name, Mommy.
You're drawing a name to your mommy? Are you drawing your mommy a picture?
Yeah. My mommy is practicing.
Oh, wow. Is that just for your mommy?
That's my mommy. I'm practicing.
You love your mommy? You have a good mommy?
I'm practicing.
Yeah.
It's a person, or you.
Is it? Is your mommy gonna love it?
It's pressing Mia.
What's your mommy gonna say when she sees it?
No, it's a moon. No, it's a golden fiber.
What's your mommy gonna say? Is your mommy gonna love it?
Yes, it's a you love it.
Oh, she is. Is that just, let me see it. Is that just for your mama?
Yes.
You love your mommy, huh?
Yes.
Let me see.
I want to see.
What are you doing now?
Picture.
What are you drawing a picture of?
Drawing his name.
Are you going to give it to your mommy?
Yes.
What's your mommy's name?
P.S. And like this. Round a circle.
Around a circle?
Yeah, round a circle.
Oh, wow. And your mommy's going to love it, isn't she?
He just want to play me and the sippy slide.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What does your mommy say about that?
That's really fun.
Is it really fun?
Yeah, that's fun.
Do you miss your mommy?
Yes.
You want to go to your mommy's house?
Yeah.
Or you want to stay at grandma's house?
Go.
Huh?
Mommy house?
You love your mommy?
Yeah, I love my mommy house.
Is she the best mommy in the whole world?
Yes.
Say, look at right here and say, I love you, mommy. Look right here, Jamian. Say, I love you, mommy.
I love mommy.
Say, I'll see you soon.
I'll see you soon.
I'm writing you a letter. Tell her you're writing her a letter.